Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're up here at Dead Acres, but you may know it better as the Haunted Hoochie. Now, we aren't able to take you inside of this one. They've got a very strict no filming policy inside the haunt, but we are going to take you around the queue area here and kind of show you around the ticket booth some of the queue actors, and we are going to let you know what we thought after each of the haunts. So without further ado, let's go check out the Haunted Hoochie. Need a volunteer, Ethan? Go for it. What have we got here? Oh, got a coffin. Oh man. Only used once, yeah. Oh god. Oh, he's up there. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh gosh. It's moving. Oh, it's gonna lay him down. Oh man. That's the whole thing. Oh god.
He's really getting buried. That's awesome. Look at Ethan. He's like, welcome back. How was your ride?
The land of the dead.
Right, so we just made it out of Bad Trip in 3D. That's the second haunt that they have here. So the Haunted Hoochie is kind of the flagship haunt. That's where, that's your main attraction. That's where all the brutal horror is, so to speak.
Yeah.
It's been probably 5 or 6 years or so since we've personally been here, and I'm here to tell you they never fail to impress.
It's bleeping awesome.
It's bleeping awesome.
It's f***ing mad on.
This was opening night. And
Yes.
It was effing amazing. We saw everything in there. Everything.
I mean, they've got helicopters shooting guns at you. They do have like a simulated suicide, so there is a like you've seen some of the signs and stuff around here. There's lots of trigger situations in here. There's like partial nudity, dismemberment, gore.
It's a gory haunt.
Huge monsters, like larger than life type of stuff. Super easy to get like overstimulated inside of here.
You won't know where to look.
No.
And you can't hear yourself or your group or nothing.
No.
100% an assault on the senses from everywhere.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Absolutely.
Every sense you have is getting assaulted.
And we loved it.
So Bad Trip in 3D, that's kind of their UV blacklight fluorescent kind of clown-ish haunt. Pretty straightforward walkthrough. There's a handful of actors in there that are getting your stuff.
Imagine a haunt if you ate shrooms, but it's all clown and neon.
Exactly. It will definitely make you feel like you're going on a bad trip even if you're not tripping.
Really trippy.
If you are not easily offended, highly recommend coming out. It is a very intense touch haunt. The level of touch kind of varies going throughout. Sometimes it's just kind of touching. Sometimes they will actually grab you and carry you away.
They
Yeah.
carried Ethan away a lot.
Twice.
Overall, again, super satisfied with the place. We will definitely be coming back. We recommend you come out. Tell them the Scare Factor sent you. If you enjoy intense attractions like this, I've got another one for you right here. Also in Columbus, it's called Fear Columbus Haunted House. It is another assault on the senses. Not a touch haunt, but they will definitely get in your personal space bubble. I will see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.